When I was younger, I used to think Tawakul, trusting Allah, meant taking a risk and just hoping it turns out fine. I thought it was about stepping into something uncertain and saying, Inshallah, it will work. But over time, I realized it's not like that. Tawakkul isn't about closing your eyes and jumping. It's about walking with your eyes open and your heart fully surrendered. It is about doing your best, planning, preparing, making an effort. But when the result comes, whether it's what you dreamed of or not, you say Alhamdulillah. Because Allah doesn't ask you about the results. He asks you about your actions. He asks, did you try? Did you trust me? And that's the true test of tawakkul. You see, sometimes things don't go the way we want. We fail an exam, we lose an opportunity, someone we wanted walks away. And we think, why Allah? I prayed, I tried, why didn't it happen? But when you have tawakkul, you know, if something didn't reach you, it was never meant for you. And if something reached you, it was written for you long before you were born. That's why tawakkul is peace. It's when your heart stops fighting reality and starts trusting the one who controls it. It's when you say, Ya Allah, I did my best, I leave the rest to you. Because true strength is not in controlling every outcome. True strength is in surrender and trusting Allah with the unseen. And that's when your heart finally finds peace, when you stop chasing control and start living with trust.